Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Tacoma key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can interfere with the programming sequence. This method is specific and requires precise timing, so pay close attention to each step for successful programming. Let's get started with the first crucial steps. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and then remove it 2 times. Next, close and open the driver's side door 2 times. Now, insert the key back into the ignition. After that, close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Leave the key in the ignition for the next step. This sequence prepares your Tacoma for programming new key fobs. With the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position and then immediately back to OFF. Now, remove the key from the ignition. You should observe the power door lock cycling once, indicating the vehicle is in programming mode. Within 40 seconds, press any button on the new key fob you wish to program. This action registers the fob with your Tacoma's system. If you have more key fobs to program, press any button on each additional fob within 40 seconds of the previous one. Once all fobs are programmed, remove the key from the ignition to exit programming mode. The door locks will cycle again to confirm. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, test all your programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock your Tacoma correctly. Enjoy your newly programmed fobs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.